Okay, so this tutorial is going to be for how to pin a video for when someone comes to your channel for the first time. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is to bring up your YouTube, and then where you see your picture on the upper right corner, you need to click on that to bring up the menu, and then you're going to choose your channel. Now, over underneath your picture, near the right hand side, we're going to click the Customize Channel button. Now, once we're there, underneath that top section, we've got an area where it shows your first video, if you've got any set up. And there's actually two selections here, one for returning subscribers, which is over here, and right next to it is for new visitors. So we're going to click on for new visitors, and then you see a little button here that says channel trailer. So we're going to click on that, and then in my case this channel has only got one video, but if you've got more, you'll see a list, and you pick whichever video you've created that's already been uploaded, and then you save that, and voila, there you go. Now when new visitors come, this video will automatically play for them. And that is it for this tutorial.